Alright, what is up YouTube? Today I'm installing my AP single exit exhaust for the Nismo. Obviously you'll need a couple things, all the proper hardware and brackets, exhaust, obviously, new gaskets, and your hardware. I got some of this just to help prevent my rear bumper from getting burned off, and then just a couple tools, 14s mainly, and then a 12 just in case I might need it for my exhaust bracket. All right, I'll make another clip after I install it. Agency power just recently installed. Already checked for leaks. No leaks. I did have to buy washers and new hardware for these 4 bolts, just so that way it would clear. Yeah, you got that's a lot of clearance. The only thing that I got just left would have to be this point of the exhaust. There's not a lot of clearance. Not sure it's because of this rubber hanger, but I think I'm just gonna adjust that end over there, where that hanger is. Try to adjust it so that way it sits a little further from the sway bar right here, because it's really close to touching it. So I'll give you guys an update later. Clearance is all good. There's plenty of space between the W brace and the mid pipe, and then you see there's a hose clamp on that hanger. That's because it was getting really close with that sway bar, so I put that hose clamp so that way the clearance will be a lot more. Just did a quick startup. Doesn't seem like it's gonna touch it, so I think we're all good. Here's the clearance with the bumper. This muffler piece is touching that diffuser though, but it's not melting or anything. We're all good. Sheesh. Okay guys, it's been a couple days later since the last clip I filmed. That's because I was just fine-tuning a little bit of things with the exhaust, but this is how it looks. Put some heat tape on it so that I don't melt my Nismo bumper. Fitment's pretty tight. I'm really glad that it's got that hanger so you could adjust the fitment. But let me give you guys a cold start real quick. All right, here's a quick cold start. Yeah, it's pretty loud. It sounds like my old Tome, if I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it's pretty loud. I'm not gonna lie. It's stock headers, stock cats. Got the Nismo Y pipe, and then AP single exit. Yeah, it's pretty loud. I'm gonna record a idling clip next. Here's an in-cabin noise. Window rolled up. Yeah, it's not too loud inside, but yeah, definitely outside it's really loud. And then I'll shoot a couple idling clips later, and then I'll do a driving point of view. See you guys in a bit. Here's a highway cruising speed. That's what it sounds like in the cabin. Yeah, it's a little drone. It's droney, but I think it's like that for every single exit. Oh man. Alright guys, I'm at Home Depot. Here's an idling clip. Yeah, it's definitely toned down a lot. It's not as loud. Let me get an outside clip. Yeah, it's not too loud when it's idling. I think the Tomei sounds quieter when it's idling, but yeah, that's how it sounds.